Hey guys, this is lesson 1.8 where we're relating multiplication to division. So we're going to take a division problem, and instead of doing normal division, we're going to work on our mental math and our ability to use the distributive property to help us solve it. So remember, there's just a few steps. So if our problem is 96 divided by 8, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the inverse operation. Okay? So remember, the inverse operation is just, if it's division, it's changing it to multiplication. So we're going to change it to 8 times something equals 96. That's our inverse operation. So we're looking for what goes in this box and what goes in this box. So our first step is to set up our distributive property. So we're going to take and we're going to put parentheses, two sets of parentheses that are added together. And we're going to multiply in between those parentheses. And they're going to equal our 96 still. Okay, so with the distributive property, what we're going to do is we're going to distribute the 8 to two different numbers. So we don't know what this is, but we're going to take this 8 and we're going to distribute it twice. Now here's the hardest part. We have to figure out what two numbers we want to use. Remember, there's not one right answer. You can use any two numbers that you like, but we like to use 10 because 10 is really easy. So we're going to use 8 times 10 right here, and that's 80. But we're still trying to get to 96. So we have to think 96 minus 80 is 16. So whatever 8 times what is going to equal 16. So that's 2. So now we've set up our distributive property. So now to find our answer, the last step, all we have to do is add the two numbers that we use, 10 plus 2, and that's 12. So your answer, 96 divided by 8, is 12. And here are your two bonus questions, 52 divided by 4 and 65 divided by 5. You have to do it the distributive property way, not just the normal division.